The seated hamstring stretch targets the muscles that run down the back of the thigh, called the hamstrings. This exercise helps release tension in the lower back and hips, improve hip flexibility, and stabilize the knee joints. Start by sitting upright with your hands resting on your thighs and feet flat on the floor, hip width apart. Extend your right leg out in front with your heel touching the floor. Take a deep breath in, and as you exhale, hinge at your hips, slowly leaning your chest toward the floor. Keep your back straight as you lean forward. Hold for 20 to 30 seconds, breathing normally. You should feel a mild stretch from your hips, down the back of the thigh to the calf. Slowly return to the starting position. Now switch sides and mirror the same movement to complete one set. Aim for 2 to 3 sets. Remember to consult your healthcare provider to make sure that this exercise is safe for you. Stop the exercise if you feel any discomfort.